Naiiyak ako. Wala po, naiiyak na ako. Ay, kay Papa. Pendant. Thank you, Babu. Di mo pa rin nakalimutan si Papa na i-gift sa akin. Kahit di ko siya makakasama ngayon sa mahalagang araw ko. Pero buhay na buhay pa rin siya para sa akin. So, thank you. Hey, come on now. Hey, 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 hey.
You hit me like a tidal wave.
First gift ko sa'yo, Bo. Open mo yung red na box. Alam ko super special nito sa'yo. Kaya sana happy ka. I love you.
I'm wishing we could hide away where time is frozen. When you look at me, I feel like I can fly. It's all speeding by. In a whirlwind, yeah, but this moment I won't forget.
Recently, do you take Vincent Paul here present to be your lawful husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
In the middle, pulling me off my feet. You smile.
Vincent Paul, do you take recently here present to be your lawful wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
It's all speeding by. In a whirlwind, yeah, but this moment I won't forget.
When we first met, I was afraid that you wouldn't accept me because of my past. I was hesitating that you would reject me from all the rejections, failures, and struggles I've been through in my life. You're still there, accepting me for what I am right now. And that's the time that I knew you'd be the one.
Thank you, Lord, for giving me a man in front of me now. A man who always make me happy when I'm sad. A man na kuhang-kuha ang inis ko. A man na ipagluluto ko every time nabubulong ako sa hating gabi na.
No.
Nagugutom ako.
Ulo.
It's all speeding by.
Magalit man sa'yo ang mundo, pero ako ay nandito lang. Palagi. Hindi kita iiwan ba. And from now on, huwag ka na mag-alala, hindi ka na mag-iisi sa laban mo. I promise to you na, iiwan ka man ng lahat, andito lang ako.
That aisle, holding your hand, facing all circumstances, and adventure together, with joy and laughter, with making our dreams come true. Babu, always remember that I love you so much.